Yo, what's good? It's my first time filming like this. Today's lecture is going to be about overtrading, and I've done it myself. I've done it many times, and I still do it to this day. This is also a accountability to myself because I started the year bad. If you guys watched my previous video, I'm not sure when I'm even going to post this video, but I pretty much blew my funded account, and it doesn't seem too bad because it's not like a big dollar amount, but I still have to get back my account. I had to buy a 50K combine again and then had to pass that, and then it's just a lot of work. I do want to say that it taught me a lesson I'm never going to do again, and I'm marking my words today. And I've done it in the past. I've done great in the past of not over trading, but it kind of sucks that I did it again. And I do want to talk about over trading today because this is one thing that can really just mess you up really bad. So what is overtrading? Overtrading is simply put over fucking trading. You're just trading too much. If you're overtrading, you're pretty much just taking too many trades and you're losing all the trades. Maybe you're green, maybe you're already doing great, but then you're just overconfident in yourself and you just keep taking all these unnecessary trades and you're just losing for no reason. That's overtrading. You're trading when you don't need to, and you're trading when you're not supposed to. I've done this a lot in the past. This is how I lost thousands of dollars. It's just really bad. It's one of those psychological issues that many people have, and it's over trading. During my first year of trading, I told myself I'm going to take 2 trades max. And guess what I did? I took 2 trades, but not every day. Some days I'll take 3 trades. Some days I'll take 4 trades, and I don't know why. I thought I was just going to win the trade. My bias was, let's say, shorts, and I keep having the same idea. Okay, I missed the trade. Damn, I lost. But now it's going to fucking work. It has to work because I think I'm right. But that's my ego. I think I have to win. I want to make back my losses, and I just keep stacking up losses for no fucking reason. That's what I did during the start of this year, and it really sucks. It's not like a super bad over trading, but it still sucks because I blew my account. And I didn't need to do it. I did not need to take that many trades. I only took 4 trades, but I'm not supposed to. I'm not going to do that ever again. So my rule now is 1 trade a day. If you're trading a combine, you're trading Top Step, you're trading prop firms, just do auto lockout. Just use auto lockout feature. Just set your limit to 1 trade a day and just lock yourself out. You win, you walk away. You lose, you walk away. You break even, you walk away. There's an exception for break even, but for now, I'm just going to walk away 1 trade a day, no matter what. My best months was honestly just taking 1 trade a day, because when I took more than 1 trade a day, 99% of the time I take more than 1 trade a day, I lose. And I backtested it. And I don't know why I still tried to do 2 trades. It would have been fine if I just took 2 trades and just left it. But no, I had to fucking overtrade. I had to take more than 2 trades. Like, why did I take 4 trades that day? I took more than 2 trades in January 3rd, or January 2nd, when the market opened, when the first trading day opened. And I don't know why I took that many trades. I thought I can just win the trade. My bias was right, but it was actually right. But I just was just trading in chop. I was just trading in mess. I'm just trading on stupid price action, and that's why I lost. Pretty much, if you're struggling, try 1 trade a day for at least a month. See how your trading improves. See why it improves. Because when I did it, I understood what I was exactly looking for. And even if I did take trades early, I can't do anything about it. And then I journaled that. I know I can't be impatient. I know I had to wait for the exact system that I wanted to see. And that's what I did. That's what I did with some of the months that I did really great. I was looking for exactly what I wanted to see. And if I lose, I lose. I don't stack up losses. And then when I win, I know my risk reward is good. I can just win back like 2-3 losses, and that's why risk reward is really key. As long as you're over 50%, a 1-to-1 risk reward is fine. I'm not saying it's bad, at least for now. The way I'm trading, usually not having the right bias most of the time because I'm just taking trades early, or I'm just not reading the market right, then I have a lower win rate. But if my risk reward is fine, in November, I had a 29% win rate, but my risk reward is really great, so I was actually up that month. And it's crazy to say because back then, my risk reward was so bad and I was always 20% or 30% and I'll be like so red. But now it's changing. Now times are changing. I'm just having better rules. I'm having better ideas. Like taking one trade a day, following simple rules and never breaking them, that's going to lead to consistent profitability. But what I did last week, taking more than one trade, that's what's going to mess me up. So I'm going to always stick to one trade a day and never take more than one trade a day. It doesn't matter if I change my system, it doesn't matter any of that, because I did it too many times. I take more than one trade and then go back to one trade a day. I take 2 trades a day, but then that leads to other things, and that's why I can't do more than one trade a day. What's going to keep me disciplined is one trade a day, and that's it. As long as I follow my rules, be disciplined, everything should play out. And it should for you too. Try one trade a day and then let me know how it goes. That is it for this lecture. If there's any other ideas or topics that you guys want me to go through, just leave it in the comment below and I'll go through it. You guys also could follow my Discord. I post daily biases there every day. I have a community there as well. And we just talk about trading, get better as a trader, and just always get 1% better. And what I like to say in every single video, how you do one thing is how you do everything. Keep staying disciplined, keep staying consistent, and let's just get 1% better every day. And I'll see you in the next one.